Good morning, everyone. This is your English class, and today we are going to learn about the adjectives. So let's start. Chapter 7 Adjectives we are going to understand. So, first of all, let's understand what is an adjective. So, an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. So, dear students, adjective means when we add in the meaning of any noun or any pronoun. Or in simple words, you can understand when which word gives the extra information about any noun or pronoun, that word is called an adjective. I want to make you understand this point with some examples. Like first is written here, he is a boy. He is a boy. So he is pronoun and boy is noun. Secondly, I say that he is a good boy. So this good word is adjective. Why? Because by the good word, I want to give the extra information about the boy. Means he is a boy, but he is a what type of boy he is? He is a good boy. Means some information I'm adding with the help of good word. So simply we can understand which word give the extra information about any noun or pronoun. That word is called an adjective, right? So good word is here an adjective. Next, she is a student. And if I say she is an intelligent student, so by the intelligent word, I want to give some extra information. So that's why an intelligent word is an adjective, right? Next, they have pens. They have pens. And if I say they have red pens, so red is here also an adjective because this red word giving the extra information about the pens. Right? Rahul is intelligent. So Rahul is name and intelligent is here adjective because it's describing about Rahul. Right? So that's why it's an adjective. So I can say this sentence in this way also. Rahul is an intelligent boy. Right? So simply we have understood that which word gives the extra information about any noun or any pronoun. That word is called an adjective. Right? So types of adjectives. Bhumika, please don't start the video. Types of adjectives. First, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective, distributive adjective, and emphasizing adjectives. So 9 types of adjectives are here: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective, distributive adjective, and emphasizing adjective. So one by one, we will understand all the type of adjectives, right? So let's start from demonstrative adjectives, right? So this, that, these, and those, these words are called demonstrative adjectives, right? This and these refer to persons or objects close by. This is to before singular nouns and these before plural nouns. So dear students, simply we can understand that which word are used to demonstrate the things or to point out the things. So those words are called demonstrative adjectives. In this, that, these, and those, these words are called demonstrative adjectives, right? Now we have to understand how to use this, that, these, and those. When things are near to you, when things are close by, so you should use this and these, right? When things are not near to you or close by you, so you should use that and those, right? When things are singular, so you should use this or that, but when things are plural, you should use these and those. These all the points we will understand with some examples. Let's look at these examples. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. So this is here an adjective here, and to point out I am using this. This pen is mine. कोई पेन हमारे पास में रखा है, उसकी तरफ इशारा करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं this, that, these and those, right? So pen is singular and it is close by, so we should use this. That's why I'm saying this pen is mine. These pens are mine when we talk about the plural things and those plural things are close to us. Then we need to use these. If things are in singular form, so we should use this. If things are in plural forms, so we should use these, right? That and those refer to persons or objects at a distance. That is used before singular nouns and those before plural nouns, right? So that and those also we can use in the same way, but when the things, persons or objects are not close by, they are at a distance. जब कोई चीज आपसे दूर हो, एक हो तो this, so that, एक से ज्यादा हो तो those. Some examples are here. That cycle is mine. Suppose any cycle is yours and that is not close by you, that is at a distance, थोड़ी दूरी पर है, उसकी तरफ इशारा करके आप बोलोगे that cycle is mine, not this, because that is not close by you. Okay, if you are talking about more than one cycle, so you can say that those cycles are mine, right? This and that can be used before the uncountable nouns also. When nouns are uncountable, so you can use this and that also. You know that uncountable nouns are considered always singular. So you can use this and that for those nouns, right? This food is not fit for us. So food is uncountable. So you can use this for it if that is close by you. That rose is so beautiful. So we can use that also when things are at distance, right? So simply we have understood that this and that we use for the singular things. These and those we use for the plural things. When things are near to you, you should use this or these. When things are not near to you, then you should use that and those. Just to point out and demonstrate the thing, you have to use this, that, these, and those. Okay. By the help of this picture, we can understand about this, that, these, and those. You can see flower is there, one flower is there. We are indicating towards the flower. So we can say that this. When flower is one and that is far, so you can use that. You can see here that word is here. That is, we are indicating for one flower that is far, far away. So you should use that. When flowers are or leaves are near to you and they are more than one, then you can use these. When they are more than one but they are not near to you, you can use those. Okay, to point out the things, to demonstrate the things, we need to use demonstrative adjectives, right? For a nearby things we should use this. For nearby things we should use these. For a far away thing we should use that. For far away things we should use those, right? Now dear students, on the behalf of this understanding we will do this exercise, so please get ready. You need to raise your hand if you know the answer, and if you want to try then you can also try. Don't don't be afraid about your answer. So our first question is that I want to buy car, this, these and those. We have three options, so which option you will fill there? I want to buy this car, these car, or those car. Who will let me know? Please raise your hand. Okay, Let's take the question from Ansh. Ansh, you please tell me which is the right option
Sir,
here.
I want to buy this car.
Yes, very good. Right answer. I want to buy this car because we are talking about one car. These we can't fill because these word we use when things are in plural form and those also. So this is right word here. So we need to mention here this. Very good. Right answer. Please wait a while. And meanwhile, you can read the second sentence and let me do some setting from my end so that I can see all the students who have raised their hand. Please read the second sentence. Meanwhile, let me do some setting from my end. Please wait. Wait a while. Let me do some setting. Okay, yes. Now I can see. So our next sentence is that give me blue water bottle. Give me that, these, or those blue water bottle. So which option is right here? Who will let me know? Okay, let me see. Nikunj is there. Nikunj, you please tell me which option will come here.
That. Give me
That
that blue water bottle.
blue water bottle. Very good, right answer that we need to fill. Please, Nikunj, mute to yourself. Yes, after giving the answer, you need to mute to yourself. Remember this. So we need to fill here that these and those we can't fill because these and those we use these words for the plural nouns. But we are talking here about one bottle, blue water bottle. Okay, so that's why we should fill here that, not these or those. Okay, come on the next sentence. Next sentence is that mangoes are rotting. Mangoes are rotting. This, that, or these. Which option will come? Who will let me know? Ekam, you please tell me. Ekam, please tell me which option will come here.
These mangoes are rotting.
These no, these mangoes are rotting. ये जो mangoes हैं ये सड़ रहे हैं. Yes, very good, right answer. These will come here because we are talking about more than one mango. Right. So these mangoes are rotting. This is your answer. Very good. Next, that I can't forget. I can't forget. Incident. That, these, or those. I can't forget that incident, these incident, or those incident. Who will let me know? Ishika, you please try. Ishika, please try. You let me know which option is right here. Ishika.
Sir, these.
No, beta, that will come because we are talking about incident, not incidents. Okay, that is singular. So with singular, we need to use this or that, right? Next sentence is that people were mean to her. People were mean to her. Now, this is a quite tricky sentence. So in this, I have given four options. This, that, these, and those. Which option will be right here? This is a quite tricky sentence. Give the answer very carefully. Please tell me. Four options are here. So which option will come here? Let me ask from Vanshika Goyal. Vanshika, you please tell me. Vanshika, please tell me. I have given you the option to unmute to yourself. Yes. Yes, Vanshika.
These people were mean to her.
Very good, but you have tried well, Vanshika. This point I did not explain in the explanation, but now I want to explain this point. Vanshika, those people were meant to her, those will come here. I tell you why those will come here. So this and that, these two words can't come here. Why? Because this and that we use for the singular things. So now we have two options, these and those. So we know that when things are near to you, you should use these. When things are not near to you, things are at a distance, so you should use those. But remember this, when we talk about the past, so we are saying people were mean to her. So we are talking about the past. So when we talk about the past, so things are at a distance not according to space, that is according to time also. जब हम past में बात करते हैं तो वो चीजें दूर हो जाती हैं, टाइम के हिसाब से दूर हो जाती हैं, स्पेस के हिसाब से दूर नहीं होती। तो टाइम के हिसाब से भी अगर चीजें दूर हैं यानी कि पास्ट में बात करते हैं तो वहां पे हमें दैट या दोस फिल करना होता है। If things are in singular form we need to use that, if things are in plural form we need to use those. So people, we are talking about more than one person, so that's why those is right here. Okay, so this point I did not explain in the explanation, now I have explained this. Okay, so when we talk about the past, so that or those will come. Next, I wanted to propose you day. I wanted to propose you this day, that day, these day, or those day. Which option will come here? Who will let me know? Okay, let me see any. Dhruv, you please tell me. This sentence is also quite tricky. Dhruv, please tell me.
Sir, that day.
Very good. Dhruv, can you explain why you haven't filled here this? आपने this क्यों नहीं बोला, that क्यों बोला है?
सर क्योंकि कोई और दिन भी हो सकता है।
No, actually, reason is this not. Reason is that we are talking about the past. When we talk about the past, things are considered at a distance according to time. जब हम पास्ट की बात करते हैं, मैंने wanted लिखा है, wanted का मतलब सेकंड फॉर्म, इट मींस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट। सो जब पास्ट की बात करते हैं तो चीजों को माना जाता है कि वो दूर है, टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं, सो ये टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग ना कि स्पेस के अकॉर्डिंग। Okay, that's why we are talking about one day, that's why we have filled here that, not this. Okay, very good, very good, you have tried very well. So now please down your hand, because next thing we are going to understand about the possessive adjectives. We are going to understand this. Please down your hand. Okay, now which adjectives show the possession? So by the which adjectives we show the possession, those adjectives are called possessive adjectives, right? Examples are here. This is my car. So dear students, जिस एडजेक्टिव के द्वारा, जिस वर्ड के द्वारा हम अपना अधिकार शो करते हैं किसी चीज पर, जैसे मैं कहता हूं दिस इज माई लैपटॉप, ये मेरा लैपटॉप है। सो मेरे वर्ड के द्वारा मैं अधिकार शो कर रहा हूँ, दिखा रहा हूँ, अपना हक जता रहा हूँ कि वो चीज मेरी है। सो बाय विच वर्ड वी शो द possession? Possession means अधिकार. So those words are called possessive adjectives. Like this is my car. So my is here possessive adjective. His friend plays cricket. So his is here possessive adjective. Their son studies in the Century School. So their word is here possessive. Is your homework completed? So dear students, is not possessive, your is possessive adjective here. यहाँ पे जो is word है वो possessive नहीं है, by mistake वो highlight हो गया। Your word is possessive here, right? So these all the words, my, your, his, her, these all the words are called possessive, means possessive adjectives, right? So dear students, now we have to understand, when we have to show the possession of I, so we should use my. When we have to show the possession of we should use are. जो मैं I का possession, I मतलब मैं, जो मुझे अपना possession शो करना है, अधिकार शो करना है, तो मैं my word लिखूंगा। जैसे कोई चीज मेरी है तो मैं बोलूंगा जैसे my pen। जब we means हम, जब मैं हमें हमारा possession शो करना पड़ेगा हम का, तो हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा आर। ये हमारा घर है, दिस इज आवर हाउस। ओके, सो इन द सेम वे व्हेन वी हैव टू शो द possession of you, so you should use your. For he you should use his, and for she you should use her, and for it you should use its, right? And for they you should use their, right? So by these words we need to show the possession. Now let's do one exercise on the behalf of this understanding. Please get ready, because I'm going to ask some very important question in this. So please don't raise your hand unless I show the question on the display. Vanshika, Ansh, please down your hand. Let me show question first, then you can raise your hand. I know you are quite curious to give the answer. Okay, first question is that this is cycle. So possessive adjective of I. आपने I का यानी I means मैं यानी कि I का possessive adjective fill करना है. So please tell me what is the possessive adjective of I. Who will let me know? Fastly need to give the answer. Okay. Sai Pratik, you please tell me.
Sir, this is my cycle.
Yes, very good. My word we need to fill. This is my cycle because I need to show the possession of I. Very good. Next sentence is that after giving answer, please mute to yourself. Next question is that my cycle is of blue color and cycle is of red color. Possessive adjective of you. You, possessive adjective of you have to fill. Please tell me which possessive adjective will come of you. Let me, Abhay. Abhay, you please tell me.
Sorry, yours.
Your will come Y-O-U-R, not Y-O-U-R-S. Okay, your, very good, right answer. You have given the right answer. Y-O-U-R. Your cycle is of red color. Very good. Next sentence is that you want to help your parents and we want to help parents. Possessive adjective of we. हमें we का possessive adjective fill करना है. So which adjective will come here? Let me see. Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, please come forward and let me know.
You want to help your parents and we want to help our parents.
Very good. Our parents will come here because we are talking about we. Very good. Right answer. Our parents. Very good. Next is that these are pens. Possessive adjective of they. These are pens. Possessive adjective of they you have to fill here. So which possessive adjective will come here? Shruti, you please tell me. Shruti, you have raised your hand. Shruti, you please tell me. Okay, I think Shruti doesn't know the answer. Shruti, please down your hand if you do not know the answer. Lavisha, you please tell me. Let me see, please wait. Let me found any new students who haven't given the answer. Yeah, Dipanshi, you please tell me. Dipanshi, please tell me. It's a little tricky question. So these are pens. Dipanshi, can you tell? Okay, I think she didn't know the answer. Yes. Oh, okay. Let me ask from the next participant. Please wait. Let me see that. Neha. Neha, you please tell me. I think she also doesn't know the answer. So dear students, if you do not know the answer, please down your hand. Okay. But if you want to try, then please raise your hand. Okay. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, can you tell?
Sir, these are their pen.
Yeah, they are not theirs. Their pen. Very good. These are their pens. Let's see the answer. Yes, very good. These are their pens. Next sentence is that those were notebooks. Those were notebooks. Possessive adjective of he. He का possessive adjective हमने fill करना है. So which word will come here? Who will let me know? Vanshika Goyal, you please tell me. Vanshika, you please tell me. You have raised your hand. Vanshika, do you know the answer or not? Vanshika,
Yes.
yes, please tell me. I think Vanshika, can you tell the answer?
Those were
Hmm.
His
Vanshika,
notebook.
again tell me. I'm not getting your answer. Okay, let's move to the next participant. Nikunj, you please tell me what is the possessive adjective of he? He ka
Sir,
possess.
his.
Yes, very good. His. These were his notebooks. Very good. Right answer. You have given that. Sorry, those were his notebooks. Very good. So again, I tell you these all the things, dear students, so that there will be no doubt. If you want to show the possession of I, means जो मुझे अपना possession show करना है, I means मैं. So I need to use my. In the same way, if we need to use show the possession of we should use are. And if you want to show the possession of you, we need to use your and he. So his, she, her, it, its, they, their. Okay, let's revise all the things so that everything will be crystal clear in your mind. I told you first of all about the adjectives. What are the adjectives? I told you in beginning, right? So which word gives the extra information about any noun or pronoun, that is called an adjective, right? So जो भी वर्ड किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है उसे हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं. Suppose I say that he is a boy, so we can say he is a good boy. So good is here adjective here. Why? Because by the good word we can convey the extra information. Like intelligent is also adjective here, red is also in adjective here. So these all the words are called adjectives, right? After that, I told you about types of adjectives. So 9 types of adjectives are here: adjective of quality, quantity, number, adjective of so demonstrative adjective, interrogative, possessive, proper, distributive, and demonstrative. Distributive and emphasizing. One by one, we will discuss every type of adjectives. So firstly, today we discussed about first of all demonstrative. So which adjectives are used to demonstrate the things? जो adjective किसी चीज को demonstrate करने के काम आते हैं, point out करने के काम आते हैं. So those adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives, like this, that, these, and those. This and that we use for singular things, and these and those we use for the plural things. When things are near to you, close by, so we should use this and that. So this and these, so when things are not near to you, not close by, they are at a distance, so you should use that or those, right? Regarding this, we did one exercise. Okay, then we understood about the possessive adjectives, right? So possessive adjectives which show the possession, like my, his, their, your. So these are called the possessive adjectives, right? If we want to show the possession of I, we need to use me. For we have to use are. For you, we have to use your. For he, we have to use his. For she, we should use her. And for it, we should use its. And for they, we should use their, right? So these all the things we understood, and regarding this, we did one exercise too. Okay. Now, dear students, if you want to ask anything regarding today's class, please come forward, raise your hand,